Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD before the Christmas. I thought that I don't need to make any other videos because market would be slow for the next couple of days. But yesterday we saw some good movements on the market, so I'm back again. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD here, and the current market price is 1805. This is the current market price. Before market was lingering around this level, but yesterday there was a sharp move on the market. And if you look at the chart of DXY, you will see that DXY witnessed heavy selling yesterday, and right now it is trying to take support near the level of 96. Keep in mind, 96 is a temporary support for DXY, but the strongest support on DXY is available at let me change the color, available at 95.80 to 95.50. This is the strongest support for DXY. Right now it is trying to take support, but is this a good support? Is this a strong support for US dollar? No. Okay, this is not a very strong support. So there is a possibility also market coming down and testing the support of 95.80. Keep in mind, if it comes down to a level of 95.80, there's a good possibility of market bouncing, and if it fails, then 95.50 will be the next level for DXY. And considering these factors, okay, we should uh, make our strategy on gold chart as well. Market is trading at 1805 right now, and DXY if DXY starts going up, okay, if DXY starts going up from here, then definitely you may see some selling. But as I just said, 96 is not a very strong support. 95.8 is a considerably stronger support. Okay, so if DXY comes down to a level of 95.80, then obviously gold will be going up and it will be testing the real resistance. Yes, it will be testing the real resistance zone of 1810 to 1815 level. So there is a good possibility of market reversing from 1810 to 1815 level, because right now we do not have any such market driving factors also. Okay, Christmas is after 2 days we have Christmas, so market will be slow from now onwards until New Year. So if you want to take a sell position right now, you are free to take a sell position right now. That will be some it will be some risky, but if you have already taken a sell position, then be on the trade. You don't need to exit right now. On the other hand, if you are looking for a fresh sell position, you can wait for some time. Keep your eyes on the chart of gold as well as US dollar. Okay, if you see that dollar is going up, okay, dollar is not about to go down to the 95.80, going up from 96 level, you can take a sell position right now as well. Okay, because after all, this is a whole resistance zone, and overall the position is not that bad as well. Okay, and if you want to avoid trading completely for the next couple of days like me, you can do that as well. Okay, because I have not been trading, because honestly speaking, in the market, because see, after trading for 8 9 years, okay, I have learned many things in the market. Okay, and in a market situation like this, when festivals comes around and the volume is low, okay, then there are some unexpected spikes in the market. I prefer to avoid in the market, because we I prefer to stay on the safer side right now. That's it. And on the other hand, okay, for the chart of gold, keep in mind 1790. Okay, in this chart, okay, in this slow chart, 1790 will be still the important support for the market. If it comes down, then 1790 will be acting as the first support. 1790 will be acting as the first support, and 1780 will be acting as the second support for the market. If it breaks the level of 1790, do not take any sell position. Yes, my dear friend, if it breaks the level of 1790, do not take any sell position, because 1790 to 1780 is a whole bias zone. It's a whole support zone for the market. Okay, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been scalping, then that's a different chapter. Especially beginners and new traders, you should be avoiding scalping right now, and especially trading on a market condition like this, when we do not have much volume, much movement in the market. Okay, so this is it. Okay, in the middle, try to avoid taking any position right now. Okay, So as of now, this is just from my side. If you think that I'm wrong anywhere else, okay, just mention in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye. Take care. See ya after Christmas, I guess. And yes, I forgot to mention. Sorry, I forgot to mention. In case there is a breakout also, okay. In case there is a breakout also, do not buy immediately. Okay. If there's a breakout, I'll be coming down tomorrow again to tell you what you should be doing. Okay. Bye bye.